wonderful. It was probably a challenging experience, but a very rewarding experience nonetheless. To be able to shoot parts of episodes on Hira Mandi has been a learning experience actually, rewarding and learning.
Also, I want to know when this, we all know this project has been in making for a long time. And Science had this idea for a long time.
Yes.
So when you came into picture and how you started working on it?
Oh, it's actually a very long story. Hira Mandi was brought to Sir years ago by Moin Beg. It was his original concept. And Sir had been wanting to make it into a film for the longest time. I actually read the initial story of Hira Mandi in 2016. Yes. So I think that is when he was again considering should I not. And I read it and then Sir only told me कि इसमें इतना material है, इसको film में हम कैसे करेंगे and तो मैंने तब पढ़ी थी story. उसके बाद I had gone out to direct The Empire with Nikhil Advani. तब हीरा मंडी as a show start हुआ and Netflix had greenlit it. My show released and then they called me and Sir said चलो तुम्हारी घर वापसी. मैंने बोला मेरी घर वापसी हो सकती है and Sir was like yes why not and then I started.
You have worked with him for a long time also. So I want to know what kind of influence he has in your work.
He is a film school. So that's the biggest influence that he's had. I come from the Film Institute and after leaving that film institute, I joined another film institute called the Sanjay Leela Bhansali Institute of Filmmaking. I've learned a lot with him. He's the director I have been associated with the longest as an assistant director and an associate director. I started working with him in 2015. Yes, on Baji Rao as a chief assistant director. Yes, it's been 8.5, 9 years. So it's been an on and off thing. Film kiya, then I went and I did Empire and all of that happened and then I came back for Hira Mandi. I think I stuck around with Sir the longest because his world and his filmmaking sense resonates a lot with me. I also want to create that world. I understand that world. I get pulled towards that world. I think it's a soul calling, period, dramas and grandeur and scale. And I actually came into the industry after watching Devdas. So yes, to get the opportunity to work with him and learn from him has been nothing short of a miracle and a blessing.
Also, everyone says that he is a taskmaster. So you've seen any other kind of avatar of him on the set?
Absolutely. He is a child, he is playful, he is fun-loving, he cracks the funniest jokes. When I was assisting him, I used to write down his one-liners. They are so funny and even after years I would open the book and say, Sir, आपने ना उस दिन ये वाला joke मारा था and then he would crack up and he's like, मैं क्या बोल देता हूँ, मैं कैसे बोल देता हूँ and when he is most angry, he cracks the funniest jokes. So उस टाइम तो आप हंस नहीं सकते हो क्योंकि किसी को डांट पड़ रही है और वो joke crack कर रहे हैं तो you write it down. Then later in the office when the mood is good and light, you say, you know what you said the other day? So yeah, he's quite fun-loving and he's very chilled out also.
But
Yes.
before that, you were in a different world and
Absolutely. I was an economics student.
I know. So, which is quite different than what
Very different.
how industry functions and
Yes.
here the economics is quite different. Than
Economics cuts everywhere.
yeah. So how you got into this?
Into the film industry and direction.
No, when this thought came to you
In-
that I should go to film school and start directing?
In college. So I am from Lady Shri Ram College in Delhi. I did economics. I was always a good student. My parents wanted me to do MDA. I said चलो वही करेंगे. फिर मेरे को ना theatre के कीड़े ने काट लिया. Delhi theatre scene is brilliant. It's very rich. So our college theatre group called Ramsoft was very nice. It was one of the best in DU at that time. And in first year I joined the street play and I acted. In the second year I did a stage play. In the third year I directed my college play, which won a lot of awards. We travelled to BITS Pilani, IIT Powai as a group, as a college group. And what really encouraged me was that I got the college award for contribution to Hindi dramatics from Sheila Dikshit, who was the Chief Minister of Delhi that time. And I felt it was my calling, but then still, you come from a service family, you have IAS, IPS officers, engineers in the family, तो थोड़ी झिझक होती है कि मैं इस लाइन में जाऊँ कैसे. मेरे को ऐसे थिएटर करना था. फिर then someone told me, theaters, why don't you do films, like it's a bigger industry. And जब बच्चे होते तब हमको लगता है हाँ films are a little more, the charm of films is much more. But I didn't know कि फिल्म की पढ़ाइयाँ होती हैं. हम लोगों को तो सिर्फ साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स पढ़ना मतलब होता है ना, प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज़. सर एक अच्छा फिल्म की भी पढ़ाई होती है. और मतलब पूना में एक इंस्टीट्यूट है. फिर मैंने रिसर्च किया एंड आई फाउंड आउट क्या क्या दिग्गज वहाँ से पढ़ के निकले हैं. विधु विनोद चोपड़ा, संजय लीला भंसाली, सो मेनी पीपल. एंड आई वाज लाइक अब मुझे यही करना है. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कहीं और अप्लाई नहीं किया. मेरे को पता था कि अगर मैंने MBA कर दिया, कुछ कर दिया, मेरा कहीं और हो गया एडमिशन, my parents will tell me no, that's a better profession, you please do that. I didn't apply anywhere. I only applied. I applied to two places, FTII and TISS. And FTII का जब मेरा इंटरव्यू था उसी दिन मेरा TISS में भी था. So I chose FTII. भगवान की दया है कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे मेरा रिटन क्लियर हो गया. I cleared my interview and everything and I went to FTII. So but मेरा ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मानना है कि हम सोच सकते हैं कि I chose this field, but actually क्या होता है, I think everything chooses you. I was meant to be here. Whatever path I have taken, this was my calling.
Did you have to struggle initially to because getting a job of assistant or associate is also very difficult. It's not easy, especially when you are a female. So what kind of struggle you had to face?
Touchwood, by God's grace, I have been very lucky. I passed out from the institute and after I think a couple of months only I got Bluff Master. Bluff Master की shooting खत्म हो गई थी. They were doing the post of the film and they wanted an AD for post. And I joined. उसके बाद वो जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, I wrote to Oner because his sister Irene Mann was my teacher in the institute. वो हो गया. तो बिगनिंग में स्ट्रगल नहीं हुआ, लेकिन हाँ बीच में ऐसे फेजेस आते हैं. 2 पिक्चर के बीच में सडनली देयर इज अ लल एज एन असिस्टेंट. समटाइम्स यू डोंट लाइक टू वर्क विद अ सर्टेन पर्सन और अ सर्टेन स्कूल ऑफ थॉट एज एन AD. तब आपको लगता है मेरे को ऐसे ही लोगों के साथ काम करना है. जो आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स द राइट अप्रोच बिकॉज यू लर्न फ्रॉम एवरीवन. But I was a kid. I was a 21-year-old when I started working. So I think I've been quite blessed.
What do you think could be the reason why we see very few female directors in the industry? They are quite good. They are good. They
Yes.
prove themselves. Like Payal has won the honors right now. So, but unfortunately, we hardly see them.
It's a very deep issue and it's an issue very close to my heart. कम औरतें फिल्म्स में दिखती हैं क्योंकि देश में अगर आप जेंडर कंसेंसस देखोगे तो औरतें हैं ही कम. देयर आई थिंक जो 10 साल पहले लास्ट कंसेंसस हुआ था, देयर वर 960 और 940 वुमेन पर 1000 men. So there is a gender gap any which way. And thankfully अब तो बहुत mindset change हुआ है. People are okay with the daughters joining the film industry. अब तो बहुत लड़कियां आ गई हैं और सिर्फ डायरेक्शन में नहीं, आप टेक्निकल डिपार्टमेंट्स में देखो, कैमरा में देखो, साउंड में देखो, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में देखो. नाउ वुमेन आर आई थिंक टेकिंग द इंडस्ट्री, they're taking it on and they're growing and it's good and it's so nice to see so many women getting appreciated so much. Like Payal, like probably after 30 odd years, the first Indian woman, right, for her film to win that award. It's amazing.
The Empire moving, doing films like Ratika Mastani, Mumbai, now Hina Modi. How tricky, according to you, is to do historical drama or period drama?
There are pros and cons to everything. It is challenging because there is scale, there is research. एंड एक अलग लेवल का उसका हार्ड वर्क उसमें जाता है. बट ऑन द अदर साइड यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो विच इज़ what you get out of creating a world of your own, I think far overtakes all the challenges that come in making it. तो जो जर्नी होती है वो टफ होती है पीरियड ड्रामा की, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ जाता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत है आप पे, स्पेशली अगर आप हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. तो एक टू टेल द राइट स्टोरीज ऑल्सो एंड टू टेल द राइट इंसिडेंट्स ऑल्सो करेक्टली इज़ अ बिग चैलेंज. लेकिन जब वो बन जाता है ना तो उसके बाद जो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है उसको देखकर, दैट्स वर्थ इट ऑल.
Then you work with so many actors, like in OTT shows, where you have a lot of content,
Yes.
10 plus hours of content, then lot of actors, characters, you have to develop them for content. So how do you work on that process? Do you take suggestion from them? How do you collaborate with them? How do you do it about?
Filmmaking is a team effort, and to create big shows like this take an entire village. You have to collaborate, you have to listen to everyone. I'm very hungry for input as a director. I like listening to what anyone has to say, and it doesn't have to be actors. I would listen to an intern also, because a good idea can come from anywhere. So you have to be absolutely open and welcoming to suggestions and ideas. And actors की अगर हम लोग बात करें तो actors का क्या होता है, they are as hungry as you, right? And to prove themselves and live, get into the skin of the character. So they are sometimes as a filmmaker, हम पूरी जो स्टोरी देखते हैं, एक राइटर होता है, वो आपका आधा काम वैसे ही कर देते हैं by writing a wonderful story for you and a screenplay for you. And as a director you are looking at everything, right? You're looking at the mise en scene, and इसमें ये भी है, सारे characters हैं. कभी कभी, और ये हुआ है मेरे साथ, जो एक्टर होता है वो अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में एक ऐसी चीज़ सडनली पूछ लेता है जिसके बारे में मैंने सोचा नहीं होता. बट बिकॉज एक्टर इज ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग मोस्टली ऑन देयर कैरेक्टर, they will find things that as a director I would probably miss. So I would absolutely welcome that input and that suggestion from them.
Coming back to OTT, lot of shows coming in, they have lot of budget. Do you think it gives a director a free hand to narrate direct story on a larger scale with kind of budgets and everything, execution qualities they have?
I would say yes, it gives the director an opportunity to explore, but I don't think any director should really get a free hand, because you also have to be responsible for the money and the time that is being invested in you and in the work that you are doing. But हाँ, अभी we are still not equaling the West in terms of budgets and all. तो मेरे को एक्चुअली बड़ा ख़राब लगता है जब हम अपने अपने शोज़ को या अपने फिल्म्स को वेस्ट की फिल्म से कंपेयर करते हैं या वेस्ट के शोज से कंपेयर करते हैं. भाई हमारे पूरा शो का जो बजट होता है वो उनके 2 एपिसोड का बजट होता है. तो उस मायने में तो अभी देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो. बट येस, वी आर ओपनिंग अप, देयर आर better budgets now to tell your stories, but the director has to be responsible with that budget.
Again, so can you tell me a bit about that? It is another exciting project.
Yes. So not just Nikhil, Monisha and Madhu, all 3 of them, they are one unit for me.
Yes.
And MA is actually my family. They are the one who gave me my identity as a director. I'll always go back to them, because I started my career with them. Whenever they want me for whatever they want me, I'll go back. This one happens to be a story that I had written years ago, and then Rohan Shankar, who wrote Mimi, he's written the screenplay and the dialogue. What a talented writer. And we were supposed to do this film earlier, but then Hira Mandi started, so it got pushed, and then I finished Hira Mandi. Right now we are in the process of casting and obviously still working on the script. Hopefully end of the year or maybe early next year that should go on floors, and that's a contemporary film.
It's about
Yeah.
city stuff.
No, it's not. I love historicals, and I would really want to leave my mark in that genre. But I'm a young filmmaker, I'm still starting my career as a director, so I want to do as many things as I can. Never say never to anything, but yes, horror is something I think वो छोड़ के मैं सब लाइफ में करना चाहती हूँ.
So because horror is also doing well.
It's doing very well, but I don't want to do something just because it's doing well. I want to do something which I'm comfortable with. I have to be honest to my craft, and I don't watch horror. It's not a genre I'm comfortable with. तो कोई मेरे को बोले कि आप हमारे लिए हॉरर बनाओ, मैं बोलूँगी हाँ चलो ट्राई करने के लिए बनाते हैं, तो आई विल बी डिसऑनेस्ट टू दैट प्रोड्यूसर and to
You
my
are okay
craft.
with suspense and thriller.
Oh yeah, I love everything else. I love comedy, action. I want to do a big action film, suspense. Everything is good. Relationship dramas. I think that's my
next
strength.
question was actually about that. What kind of stories excite you apart from the history and like you said, the horror you
Yeah,
do
yeah.
not enjoy, but what kind of stories you
I really like relationship dramas because I think actually आप कोई भी genre उठा लो, आप चाहे horror भी उठा लो, the crux of every story would be a relationship drama. Be it Hira Mandi, be it Empire, be it Panchayat, be it Patal Lok, any show you pick up, relationship के बिना कोई फिल्म या शो चल ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि as a human being we connect to emotions, we connect to other characters, we build a relationship with the characters. So if there is no relationship, it will fall flat. So that attracts me the most. Relationship dramas. I love rom-coms. I absolutely love rom-coms. I'm a 90s kid. I have grown up with Dil To Pagal Hai, DDLJ, My Best Friend's Wedding. So actually वो मेरा सबसे favorite genre है. मैं बनाना भी चाहती हूँ rom-com. I think right now the world needs rom-coms also. We need a film where we can just go, have fun, laugh, come out smiling, feeling happy, and like not a heavy film. So rom-com and relationship dramas are my favorite.
in today's world, we come very close to the critics also. There are good and bad part of everything. So some of them give you genuine feedback where you can improve in your next future projects. But some of them want to comments, pass negative comments which may harm you. So how do you deal with that? I'm sure in all these years you must have also heard a lot of comments about your work.
Yes. Actually, this is something Sanjay sir had told me when Empire had come out. It mostly got a lot of good reviews, but then there were some bad reviews also. और हमारी nature क्या होती है, at least मेरी, I can speak for myself, I don't look for praise. I would rather read what is not working and then try and work on that. But some of them, like you said, can get so personal, and I don't know what their backgrounds are, people who are critics, what their schooling is, what their understanding of films or a project is, because it's one person's opinion. But sometimes those opinions can get really personal and really, really damaging. So I was a little not okay, and then sir had told me that remember what people are writing about you, but don't get affected by it. You are good in your work. बहुत लोगों ने अच्छा बोला है, वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. जिसने खराब बोला है, उन लोगों के नाम याद रखो, उन्होंने क्या बोला है वो याद रखो, और उसमें से जो आप जिस चीज़ के साथ आप सहमत हो उस पर काम करो. So I only take it as a learning experience. Personal attacks, I don't take seriously because nobody knows me to make personal attacks. Nobody knows my journey, my struggles, what I have been through to reach where I am. So I don't even listen to that. लोग अपनी भड़ास निकालते हैं, ठीक है. Sometimes people want to sound intelligent and sound different. But काम को लेकर अगर किसी ने कुछ बोला है तो उसको ज़रूर मैं सुनती हूँ और उस पर मैं अमल करती हूँ, और मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि अगली बार वो गलती ना दोहराऊँ. कमियाँ पूरी करना हर कोई चाहता है, परफेक्ट तो हम नहीं हो सकते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल है. बट या लिसन टू ऑल क्रिटिसिज्म, पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म and constructive criticism rather, and work on it.
Also, I want to know, apart from Nikhil, any other project which you can talk about? I have heard few.
Yes, there are. You heard right. You heard right.
So if you can tell me.
I can't talk about them right now because it's all they're all confirmed, but let the producers announce it. My job is to go and make the film. Their job is to do the marketing and the announcements.
Yes. Thank you so much.